Hello class. Good day. So this is the content of module 1. Hindi man kompleto but isa-isahon ta lang. Okay, for the cognitive psychology, ang definition niya sini, cognitive psychology focuses on the mental processes such as perception, memory, language acquisition, problem solving, and decision making. So, for example, researchers studying how individuals remember their new mobile number is engaging in cognitive psychology. So they might explore the techniques like chunking or repetition that help in better recall. Okay, so that's for the um, cognitive psychology. Okay, so focuses on mental processes. For the experimental psychology, this branch deals with conducting controlled experiments to understand cognitive and learning processes. So, for example, psychologists studying how quickly individuals learn a new task under varying levels of stress might conduct experiments in a lab using controlled conditions. So anyway, you will learn more about this no sa experimental psychology because miyari kita sa isang course ini sa aton nga psychology nga course. Okay. For the developmental psychology, so this examines how people grow uh, and change mentally, emotionally, and behaviorally across their lifespan. So, this is more on the development of human beings in their mental and emotional behavioral state. Okay, so for example, developmental psychologists might study how reasoning skills in children improve as they age, or investigate whether older adults develop greater emotional resilience. So researcher studies on this, and this could be or can be categorized as part of developmental psychology. Now, for the biological psychology, this study is the connection between biological systems like the brain and the hormones and behavior or thought. So, their relationships, and or their connection. So, for example, um, research on how stress impacts cortisol. So, cortisol is the stress hormones. Okay, so impacts cortisol levels and subsequently influences decision making or emotional regulation falls under biological psychology. So, butang tabi, ang iyang mood, let's say, baby, that's because of the hormones, no? So, that could fall to biological psychology na study. Okay? Personality psychology. This focuses on individual differences in personality traits and how these traits influence behavior. So, for example, a psychologist exploring whether individuals high in neuroticism, a trait associated with anxiety, are more prone to stress-related health issues, is working in this field. Okay. Social psychology studies how individuals' thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are influenced by others present. So, real man siya or imagined. So, for example, ang researching why people conform to group norms or how group dynamics affect decision making are classic social psychology topics. No, so these are common psychology topics like between friends, between lovers, you as a member of the community, how do you apply your social skills, no? So that's part of social psychology also. Now, for the clinical psychology, this concern with diagnosing and treating mental, emotional, and behavioral disorders. So, for example, a clinical psychologist might work with a patient experiencing severe depression. Okay? So, providing therapy and developing coping strategies, no, ang sa clinical psychologist. So, this um, actually they study more onto the therapy, okay, and the treatment for the patients. Okay, so for the counseling psychology, this focuses on helping individuals deal with everyday life challenges and less severe psychological issues. But if it's going to be severe, gina-forward na or gina-refer na sa psychologist or psychiatrist. Okay? So, sa counseling, like for example, a counseling psychologist might assist a college student struggling with career decisions or interpersonal relationships. So, the counselor can actually guide the student who is struggling with career decisions. Okay. For the health psychology, this investigates how psychological factors influence health, illness, and healthcare behaviors. So, a health psychologist might study how stress affects immune system function or how personality influences adherence to medical advice. Okay? Now, for educational psychology, examines how people learn and the effectiveness of teaching methods. So, that falls to educational psychology. So, for example, an educational psychologist might research how interactive learning techniques impact students with learning disabilities. Okay? So we have lots, no? So, damo pa kita in particular with when it comes to studying psychology. We have the industrial or organizational psychology. So, this applies to principles of the workplace to improve productivity, employee well-being. And then we have on the industrial side, that focuses on employee selection, training, performance, and evaluation. This is more on the human resources topic. So, organizational state examines work environments and management practices to enhance job satisfaction. So, for example, a company hires an industrial organizational psychologist so to develop strategies for reducing employee burnout and increasing team motivation. Okay. Now let's go to sports psychology. So this studies psychological factors that influence performance and participation in sports and exercise. So, for example, so a sports psychologist grabe dami no, di ba? Damo in particular ng mga psychologists. So might teach relaxation techniques to a professional athlete like for example boxer man siya be or nasa golf man siya, so whatever man nga kung ano siya nga sports. So a sports psychologist might teach the what do you call it, the professional athlete to practice relaxation. So this to of course to overcome anxiety or to manage it before sila mag-compete. And then forensic psychology, so combines psychology with legal and criminal justice systems. So a forensic psychologist might evaluate a defendant's mental competence to stand trial or assist in criminal profiling to narrow down suspects in a case. So by understanding these branches, we see how psychology extends across various areas of life. So from individual well-being to societal functioning. So each field not only enhances our comprehension of human behavior, but also provides practical solutions to everyday challenges. Okay? Now, I will continue making videos para makaabot kita sa Module 9. So, all you have to do is to react on the video for me nga mabalaan ko nga ginlantaw nyo gid man ang videos na akong naging prepare para sa inyo because pagbalik nyo sa January ma-exam na kita. Okay, so I hope this helps kay once a week ng taga-Kitanay and may mga holidays pa. So, ang aton Friday nga meeting nagaka-apektuhan. Okay? That's all for now and see you on the next video.